Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm going to be eating pierogies, the potato, and cheese. They look like that. Yes, I ripped one so you could see it. Mmm. It tastes like potato and cheese. With a little slice of heaven. Mmm. I hope everyone's having a good day. I'll fix that. I didn't realize it was down till now. It looks like that. Get more cheese in the potato. Somebody said I should explain the food to make you want it. That's what I'm doing. Do you see the nice potato cheese ratio? Mmm. See, do you see it? The potato cheese ratio is perfect. It needs. Mm-mm-mm. And then they said I need to be more confident. So I'm being confident right now. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. The little dough on the outside is good too. But the potato and cheese, it just adds more flavor. I'm just saying. It adds more flavor. It really doesn't, but I'm saying it does. Mmm. Jiggly. Jiggly. Sorry. Let's see. Lovely. See that potato cheese ratio? That's what you want in a pierogi. I made that up, just so you know, but that's what I want in a pierogi. So, people say I need to be more confident in my videos, so that's what I'm going to work on. Because I admit I need to be more confident while filming. I got all nervous and stuff, and I'm not sure why I got all nervous and stuff like that, but I did. So, yay! I'm more confident. This is the filming right here. This is the real me. I'm live. I'll dance. I'll sing. Well, okay, I won't sing, but, you know. I'll laugh, dance, you know, all that good stuff. So, My giveaway ends today, so if you haven't entered, go ahead and enter, please. It's called 1300 subscriber giveaway. I am going to do the random comment picker tomorrow until 11:59 p.m. tonight to enter my giveaway. Bye.